everyone, Kenneth Mariano from BSIT 502. Today I'm gonna do an app review. I chose the mobile application Reddit to do an app review with. First, I must discuss what is Reddit. Reddit is a platform where people can discuss things or anything that they want to discuss with other people. And that's the main point of Reddit is to discuss with other people. What are the advantages of using Reddit? You can use Reddit to learn new things and discuss things with other people who you share the same interests with. You can gain many knowledge about other people since they they want to share it to as long as you are willing to navigate through other communities. Reddit has a feature that uses karma. What is karma? Karma is when you post something about in Reddit and many people upvoted it, and it will convert into karma, whether it's an post or comment. I will share my screen on how to use Reddit. First, you must install the Reddit application whether you're using on iOS or Android. When Reddit is already installed, you just click it and here you can navigate to many discussion. An example would be a manga that I'm interested with. You can see a lot of people opening threads here or discussion with other people who share the same interest. Then, what is my feedback on Reddit? For me, Reddit can be useful and harmful at the same time since not all you can see in Reddit is true or it's appropriate for the proper audiences. That's all. Thank you for listening to my app review.